In just 10 minutes, you can make such a big impact in your home, so join me for 10 minutes better. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This is the first Friday of the month, so that means it is time for 10 Minutes Better. 10 Minutes Better is hosted by my sweet friend Melinda here on YouTube. Her channel name is Melinda, plain and simple. I'm going to link her channel along with the 10 Minutes Better playlist in my description box below, and I encourage you to check that out. So what I'm going to do today for my 10 Minutes Better, the theme is grateful. So I'm actually going to go in my closet, set the timer for 10 minutes, see if I can declutter anything in my closet. I'm sure there has to be something that I can do in that 10 minutes in my closet. And I'm going to, in the voiceover, talk to you guys about some things that I am grateful for. So let's move into my closet. So I set my timer for 10 minutes because I only wanted to devote 10 minutes to this project. I am getting ready to change out a lot of my clothing from summer to winter attire, so I'm not really focused on making sure everything is back on the hanger perfectly or making sure everything is folded perfectly. I'm just putting my hands on everything that I can in that 10 minutes in my closet, and if I still like the item, I just keep it. And if I do not like the item, I go ahead and let it go and put it in a donation pile. So that's what I am doing. I'm doing it as quickly as possible. I'm not putting a lot of thought into it. I'm just thinking, if I would wear this today, I'm going to keep it. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and let it go. So as I am doing this and in my closet, the title of this video, or the theme of this collab this month, Melinda always gives us a theme, and the theme is gratitude. So I just wanted to talk to you guys for a few minutes about some of the things that I am grateful for as I clean out my closet. The first and foremost thing that I am grateful for, I am grateful that I am alive. I am grateful that I was given a second chance at life. I am forever grateful for that. If you have ever experienced an event where you almost died, or where you died and then you get a second chance, you are always so thankful that you had that second chance. With that being said, I am grateful that I get to interact with all of you guys each and every time that I post. I am so thankful for all of you guys, and I am very thankful for the friends that I have made here on YouTube. Some of my friends on YouTube that are other YouTube creators are some of my best and dearest friends. We talk every single day, and I am so thankful and blessed for that. I am also grateful to be a typical, or maybe a not so typical, maybe atypical is one word, housewife, and to be able to stay at home and to care for the home. And I am thankful that I have the physical strength to do that I can get up in the mornings and make up the bed, that I can clean out my closet. So I'm very thankful for that. And I'm also thankful that I have this platform that I can share from my heart, and I love that I can share my heart journey. As you live, laugh from the heart. It's just wonderful that I can share this with other people and that I can give you guys hope and inspiration. So I am just so grateful for the opportunities that YouTube has brought me and for life in general. So those are some of the things that I am grateful for. In the comments, let me know some things that you are grateful for. I would absolutely love to know.
times of trouble, you're always resting at my door. Though I've wavered, you've been waiting. I'm the one you're looking for. Gratefully.
So I'm going to bag my stuff up, and I just wanted to show you what I decided to declutter in my 10 minutes from my closet. The first item is this maxi dress. It's green, it's long, it's pretty, but I did not wear it this summer, so I think it's time to let it go. There's also this necklace. It has some black and white and some it's just a costume piece, and I do not wear that either. Along with this piece, I actually, for sentimental reasons, almost kept this piece, but it just has good memories attached to it, but I never wear it, so I knew that it was time to let it go. And this piece I have not had on in a long time, so I decided I could let that go as well. Then I have this navy dress. It's short, it's kind of like a baby doll dress. And a couple of summers ago, I was really into this type of dress, and I had it in several colors. I did not wear it at all this summer, so I decided to let that go. This is just a short little skirt, and it's got some pink and brown in it, but again, it's something I do not wear, so I'm letting it go. I'm also letting this little skirt go, and it's just too big, and so I can't wear it because it's too big. But I want to say it's like, let's see. Yeah, it's a Vineyard Vine skirt, so it was like an expensive skirt, so I'm really sad to part with that. And then I have this same Vineyard Vine skirt, but again, or skirt little thing, but again, it's just too big, so there's no reason for me to keep it. Then I have this cute little skirt as well, and again, it is just too big, and this little shirt goes with it, so I think this will make a cute little outfit for somebody that can wear it and enjoy it. And then I have this little 3/4 length blue shirt, and it has these little things on the sleeve. It's kind of cute, but I have not worn it in forever. And then there is this flannel, and it's just way too big, so I decided to let that go. Then I have this. I always keep this. It's like a wraparound piece, and I always keep it, but I never wear it. I just keep it because it's kind of cozy and warm, but it's just not my style, so I decided to let that go. I also have this green shirt, and yeah, it's cute, but I never wear it. I have this green shirt, and I was holding on to it because I ordered it from Amazon, but it was just too big and not flattering, and I never wore it, so I'm letting that go. Along with this cute little shirt. Then I have this yellow shirt. It is too big, and it's just not my style anymore, so I'm letting that go. Along with this black shirt that, again, is not really my style. And I don't wear it, so I'm letting it go as well. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Your love and support means so much to me. Do not forget to check out Melinda's video along with the playlist in the description box below. And remember, in 10 minutes, you can make a big difference. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.